Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. San Bernardino, local and long-distance movers near me. A top long-distance moving company will make your moving days so much easier. Our professional team of movers will provide the necessary services to help you move across the country or to the next state over. We can even offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. The pros of hiring a California moving company will ensure you can justify the cost. The time you will save is usually enough to make it well worth it. Along with saving time, you will also avoid the heavy lifting. Plus, you won't have to beg anybody in your family to help you with moving. 3 Movers offers a professional moving company with a streamlined process. We know how to move you into your new home so much faster. A move that might take you a full week to complete will take us a day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Bernardino moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.